If you use hosting a mail and want your emails to look more professional, adding a signature is one of the quickest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a signature in hosting a mail step by step, so every email you send can include your name, title, contact details, website, or even a short brand message. This is a simple change, but it makes a big difference for professionalism and consistency. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, open Webmail. This is where you can manage your email settings, read messages, and customize your mailbox. After Webmail opens, look for the settings icon, which is usually the gear symbol. Click on Settings and then choose All Settings. This will take you to the full settings panel where all the advanced email options are stored. Now, inside the settings menu, find and click on Signature. This is the section where Hostinger lets you create and manage your email signature. Once you open it, you'll need to select the email account you want to edit. This is important if you have more than one address connected to your account because each one can have its own signature. After selecting the correct email account, you'll see the signature box. This is where you can type in the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can add your full name, job title, company name, phone number, website, social media links, or any other details you want recipients to see. Keep it short and clear if you want a clean, professional look. If you're using it for business, a simple layout often works best. You can also format the signature according to your liking. That means you may be able to adjust things like bold text, spacing, or line breaks depending on how you want it to look. If you want your signature to feel more polished, make sure it's easy to read and not too crowded. A good signature should look professional on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the way it looks, double-check the spelling, phone numbers, and links before saving. This step is important because your signature will appear in future emails, so you want everything to be accurate. When everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your Hostinger mail signature is now set up and ready to go. From this point on, your emails can automatically include your custom signature, helping you save time and present a more professional image every time you send a message. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.